There was a time when our world was a daunting ball of mystery, shrouded in myth and superstition. Only the brave and most committed would venture to unlock its secrets. As our understanding grew, our knowledge, based in science, revealed a most important lesson. The more you know, the more there is to know. And whether it's investigating deep space or mapping the human genome, we depend on the new explorers.
Throughout history, explorers didn't do it alone. They all had their patron saints and their support mechanisms. Columbus had the King and Queen of Spain. Neil Armstrong's landing on the moon went back to President Kennedy.
And when dedicated researchers, scientists, and entrepreneurs create breakthrough technology in northeastern Pennsylvania, it's the culmination of years of work, painstaking trial and error, and for many of these new explorers, the result of initial and continuing support from the Ben Franklin Technology Partners.
Entrepreneurs, scientists, inventors come to us in all shapes and sizes. Everything from the inventor who comes to us with a gadget that he or she created in their basement to seasoned executives that have the fire in their belly to create another company.
Ben Franklin Technology Partners provides a network of assistance to advance the new explorers in areas including life sciences, information technology, optoelectronics, nanotechnology, and advanced manufacturing.
Through the operation of 10 incubators throughout our 19 counties, we are planting seeds with entrepreneurs, providing them with a roof over their heads, some basic services, and most importantly, an incubator manager and staff who help them to understand what it is they need to do to be successful entrepreneurs.
Explorers travel into unknown regions, especially for scientific purposes, but that's just part of the story. Explorers also take on great personal and professional risk and burn with a passion for discovery. And when countless lives are at stake, success is the only option. Determined to prevent the ravages of disease and avert the outbreaks of epidemics, a premier manufacturer partnered with the Ben Franklin Technology Partners.
Sanofi Pasteur is the largest company in the world devoted entirely to human vaccines that provide protection against more than 20 bacterial and viral diseases. And we supply more than 1 billion doses of those vaccines each year. Our Swiftwater, Pennsylvania site has been a home to vaccine technology and innovation for more than 100 years, beginning with the production of smallpox vaccine in 1897. Since then, our site has produced other vaccines to protect against influenza, bacterial meningitis, tetanus, and yellow fever.
In 1988, Ben Franklin began work with Swiftwater-based Sanofi Pasteur on 2 crucial projects. In the first, Ben Franklin brought in Lehigh University to help Sanofi develop a total quality management system. The results of this partnership touched every aspect of Sanofi's business, yielding significant cost savings and starting a quality management process that continues to this day. To meet the next challenge, Ben Franklin tapped experts at East Stroudsburg University, which streamlined Sanofi's ability to transmit complex data from lab equipment to their computers.
Thanks to Ben Franklin Technology Partners, we have evolved into an industry leader. Sanofi Pasteur's vision is of a world in which no one suffers or dies from a vaccine-preventable disease. Ben Franklin has helped us become one step closer to achieving that dream.
Ben Franklin takes a 3-pronged approach to accomplishing our mission. We work with startup and early-stage technology entrepreneurs. We help established manufacturers make their products better, cheaper, and faster. We work to create infrastructure to support manufacturers building a technology industry in Pennsylvania.
Ben Franklin gives new explorers the encouragement they need to take risks.
Everybody in the industry looked at our technology and said, this is not possible. We had a vision as to how we wanted to change optical networking in the world.
With the speed of light as their inspiration, Infinera, located in the Lehigh Valley, set out to dramatically increase the speed of communications with the world's first digital optical network.
If you have a group of people who is innovative, you are going to solve big problems by taking big technical chances.
We package a photonic integrated circuit. There's about 50 optical devices on one chip, the size of my fingernail. It's able to transmit and receive the equivalent of 1.5 million phone calls simultaneously, or the entire contents of the Library of Congress in about 20 minutes.
As a young company, we fiscally had to be very careful of what we could and couldn't afford. Monies that Ben Franklin made available allowed us to invest in an infrastructure that actually allowed us to scale.
We take that device and we put it and some other electronics in a box that will keep it safe for 20-year life. Ben Franklin really helped us to develop a system that automatically tracked work in process and inventory, and all of that helped us to meet our customer demand.
Ben Franklin provided seed funding to Infinera and linked it to Lehigh University's Center for Optical Technologies and the Enterprise Systems Center.
Ben Franklin approached us with Infinera. We are doing forward-looking, state-of-the-art packaging research for them, working with them and solving some of the problems they'd have over the last several years. One of the key missions of the Center for Optical Technologies is to give students the opportunity to build relationships with the industry.
The engineers at Infinera told us what they needed, and my students figured out how to get them what they needed. The students are actually teaching the Wiley engineers, and the Wiley engineers are actually teaching the students what they know. And it's a great exchange.
As a result of successful partnering with Lehigh University, Infinera's breakthrough innovations are among the most important in optical networking.
Through Ben Franklin's efforts, we've been able to attract and grow an incredible base of talent here in the Lehigh Valley. We started with 10 people. We've grown that to 64, both engineers and technicians. We've been able to keep them here. We're very proud to be a driver of technology in this area, and we're very proud of our association with Ben Franklin Technology Partners, and we're very thankful for the support that they've given us.
The most fulfilling aspect is seeing companies blossom and flourish, and being able to bring to bear the experience of our entire staff is tremendously satisfying to us.
Ben Franklin Technology Partners is an irreplaceable ally to Northeastern Pennsylvania's new explorers. Impacting every stage of a company's development, Ben Franklin brings the best minds and most advanced methods together to discover a newer and better world for everyone.